For making Easter eggs, I took 3 eggs and I made a small hole. From that I removed the yolk. I separated from the egg and then I washed it so that there should be no any smell. With the help of fork I did. So now let it dry for like half an hour and then we'll start how to make an Easter eggs. For this making a Easter egg, I'm taking a 4 color paints: purple, green, white and red. So I have only limited paints. For that I'm using 3 colors of glue. It's a glitter glue, a red, yellow and the silver. And then I'm using and then I'm using the 2 nail polish, a red color and a dark blue color. And then I'm using a little water.
Look, guys. Mom's making for me. Look. Still more. Look. Good, right?
Then we need to dip it.
Dip it. Let's see. Look at it! So beautiful, right?
So we should let it dry. Okay.
Look, guys.
Now this is how it became. Now we should let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. And then I'm going to paint this. I'm going to paint this other egg with red and blue. It's not a blue, it's dark green. Now Ron is going to paint other eggshell with the red color because red is his favorite color. Yes, Ron?
No, yeah. I think blue is my favorite color.
Not red?
No.
Before you said red is my favorite color.
No, now it's blue.
Now it's blue? Okay. Now the eggs are getting dry. Meanwhile, I'm going to make a basket. Now we are going to take 2 colors of papers, scale and the scissor, so that we should cut a long pieces. I'll show you. With the help of scissors, I just cut the pieces like this. And with the glue we need to stick it. We need to stick it like this with the help of glue. So slowly we should keep sticking like that, so it will become like a basket, small basket. So finally I'm done with this basket and the eggs. So this eggshell got dry, so I'm doing a little decoration with the help of this green sparkle marker.
I want to check these.
So this is how I'm done with this. Now I'm going to make it eyes. The next shell, it is also got dry. I'm going to decorate this one also. For this I'm taking the pink sparkle marker. So I'm done with the pink. Now I'm just filling the white part with the orange color. You can use your choice.